there! So we are going to cut and gut a coconut. One of these is always softer than the other, so you can kind of push your finger in and you can find the one that is softest, and that's the one you're going to work. If you were out in the wild, you would look for a sharp stick. You might even cut it down to sharpen it into a spike so that you can get in there. You can also use a screwdriver. You can also use something like this. Go into it, screw it in, push it down, and just screw it. You know what? I'm not doing that because I have power tools, so I'm going to show you my way of doing it. Now, you can have a strainer such as this over a cup to pour out the coconut milk. I have something like this that actually has a filter already in it. My coconut has no water. Oops. Now the next important thing is we want to open the coconut. How do you open it? So I am going to use this, but not the sharp end. No. I'm using the back end. So if you hit it around, we got a crack. Oh my goodness, look at this. Now this is my first time ever doing this. And what's really cool is that I really wanted to be able to separate the coconut also from the shell, and it looks like because it's separated like this might be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. There's definitely some give. Now remember, out in the wild, now you have a bowl. Now this had the hole in it, so of course you would have to plug that hole up. You also could use this as some kind of strainer, but now you have a bowl where you can eat things. You have a bowl that you can gather things up in. So cool. This is my first time ever doing this, so it's still not coming off of its base. So I'm gonna see if I can help it along. So what I'm doing is I just kind of put the butter knife in between, and I'm just have it all the way up to this point right here. And I'm just gonna, there you go, I just pushed it down. So I literally went in with the knife and I tried to just shove it down because that seemed to be where it was holding, and I just kind of pushed it like this and it came right out. But this is the meat. This is the entire thing. How cool is that? Two bowls. If you've got a hole here, you can hang it and put something underneath it. Do all sorts of things when you have drills.